Hey guys, we're here at talltweets.com, tall, T-A-L-L, tweets.com, and it has nothing to do with Twitter unless you want to share your presentation on Twitter. So if you scroll down here, you see Tweets Classic. Okay, you can watch your getting started guide if you want to, but I can bring you through this real quick. So select presentation, and it's going to ask you to allow access to your Google Slides. You can allow it. Then you can click here on the presentation that you want. This is the presentation that you saw in the newsletter. So I just click on that. I click select, and it uploads your presentation. Sometimes I guess it takes a minute. We'll pause. Okay, that only took about 4 seconds, but I didn't want 4 seconds of spinning wheel. Okay, so here's my presentation, and oh, what's all this stuff? Okay, so GIF image width. 900 worked the best for me, so I'm going to assume that's going to work for everyone. Slide duration, this is entirely up to you. If you're doing this for like a vocab, or you're doing it for some type of explanatory type of GIF, then you might want this a little bit longer. If you're doing it for some type of stop motion where you want the characters to move, or it's an animated version of a cartoon, say of a parody of Romeo and Juliet, or the Big Bang Theory, or something like that, you can change this duration to something shorter. So I made mine about 3 seconds because I don't have a lot of text on my slides. This is entirely up to you. If you want to change the sequence of your slides, you can do that. Mine are in the order that I want them, so I'm going to leave them alone. You click Create GIF. You get a little bit of a spinny wheel again. As you can see, it took me like 4 seconds, but there's only about 8 slides in here. So that's something to take into consideration. It might take you about 10 seconds if you have more slides. And as you can see, it's moving as I'm talking. So you can, like I said, tweet it. You can change your initial image, or you can download and save it. And this is what I'm doing, because then I can upload it into Google Slides. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my newsletter in Google Slides, and I'm going to click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and then you have to find where your download was. It's in Downloads, download.gif, click Open, and boom, there it is. It's that simple. I hope you like it.